Hi everyone, my name is Denzel Alamor, BSMT3 Y2-6, and this is my presentation. SMCP, or Standard Marine Communication Process. When we are about to use the SMCP, we should follow the following procedures. When it's necessary to indicate that the SMCP to be used, the following message may be sent. Please use Standard Marine Communication Process over. I will use Standard Marine Communication Process. Later on, we'll be going to learn Standard Marine Communication Process. In these matters, we don't use A, B, C, D, but we use phonetic alphabet instead. It's necessary, only the following spelling table should be used. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, and Z for Zulu. Spelling of digits and numbers. A few digits and numbers have a modified pronunciation compared to General English. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9er, and 1000, 4000. We must note the numbers to be spoken in separate digits in common English. We pronounce the number 490 as 490, but in SMCP, we pronounce it as 490, 1 decimal 5 or a 1.5. Another note that we must remember is that if we are given rudder angles or wheel orders, we must pronounce it in separate digits. For example, you are ordered to change the rudder angle to 15 degrees. You should not pronounce it as 15 degrees. Instead, we should pronounce it as 15 degrees. The vessel is identified as MV East Cargo, who is close approaching at the port of New Jersey. Port service. This MV East Cargo. How do you read me? Over. East Cargo. This is port service. I read you good. Change to channel 12 over. Port service. This is cargo. Change to channel 12 over. Is cargo. This is port service. What is your ETA at pilot station? Port service. My ETA at pilot station is 1200 hours local time over. Is cargo. What is your call time over? Port service. My call sign is Delta Sierra Echo Victor 9 over. Is cargo. What is your last port of call and gross tonnage over? Port service. My last port of call was China and my gross tonnage is 556 7, 9, 8, tonnage, over. Is cargo. Are you carrying dangerous goods? Over. Port service. I do not carry any dangerous goods. My cargo is lumber products. Over. Is cargo. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass our island on channel 1, 2, over. Port service. We call when we pass Alpha Island on channel 1, 2, over. Is cargo. Standby channel 1, 6, and 1, 2, out.